Right here, my new farm, you gotta love it. Farming was nice. Alright, we got my nice tractor. I just bought it fresh from the freaking John Deere tractor store. You already know. I didn't say John Deere, but they don't know that, so keep quiet. And we go over here like this, like so. Look right here. Ain't nobody seen this before. It's a John Deere with the Chevy motor in here. Yeah.
I think the motor's up there.
Nah, that's the gas.
It's a big old gas can. All right, John.
Look over here, I'll tell you what. Come on here. All these aliens dropping their eggs around the world. Look right here. Hold on, look right here. Look right here. Alien eggs. Look right here, bro. Look right here. You get on top like this, like so, when there's an alien. You do this, you see that right there? Touch it, it picks up eggs, like that.
You are. You're gonna tell me about this engine.
I'll tell you something about that engine. I'll tell you something. Right here. Got that 4 tires right here. Kick this underneath it, like that, like so. Alright. Make sure I don't get it flat. Alright. Crap. Oh, look at this tire right here. This is Dodge. This is a Dodge tire. Metal wheels. So you can take the fat girls back home from the bar. You gotta love those John Deere. What's up here? I don't know. I've never been up here, so we're gonna find out. We're coming up here. Holy smokes, it's hot up here. But I'll tell you what, here's some grip tape. This grizzly grip tape up here, boy. There's tigers up here. I'll tell you this right here, right now. There's tigers up in this jungle, gun. Howdy, y'all. Got some fans out there like so? Try to jump on that Dodge tire like that. Click your hands when you jump down.
Is that it?
Nope, time to talk more tractor. See, I take this tractor right here. Yeah. Take the tractor right here. Driving around town. I see people in those little tiny Toyota cars. I think they're Chinese. So look right here. Certified metal right here. I hit them in the ditch. If I feel kind of nice, I'll run them over with this tire. Alright? And sometimes I hate the special button. This will make you lose your mind, people. I hit the special button and there'll be flames shooting out right here like so. Oh, hold on, I gotta pop my bolts. Alright. It's all good. Come on in, let me show you something. See this? This is for turtle finding. Yeah. I'm gonna get me some jackrabbits out here today, boys. See a pretty girl out there, right there. Whenever you see a pretty girl in the city, you go, come on in, it's free. I ain't no crazy hillbilly. I tell you what, right here, right now. You get on there. Oh man, that's some crazy stuff right there. See, I want to be trucking one day. So I'll put one of these right here. Woo! Truck driver now.
Is that it?
This one right here. Turtles, I am coming for you. That's it.